Unit 1 Project, Andrew Carter, number 250389. Judge, the plaintiffs have filed a motion to suppress this evidence. Their position is that the evidence is inadmissible because of a Fourth Amendment violation due to illegal search and seizure. They will state that the fire department released control of the scene prior to arrival of the investigator. The defense will not contest this fact. The reason all firefighters departed the scene early was because there was another structure fire only 3 blocks from this address, and it had multiple confirmed victims. Had the fire department left one person on scene with a water can to control hot spots, then control of the scene never would have been released, and the investigator could have entered upon exigent circumstances to perform his initial investigation and collect any evidence deemed relevant. We're here to ask you to consider any or all of the following reasons as to why the evidence collected should be allowed in your court and this motion be dismissed. First, exigent means emergency, which means under life-saving circumstances. In Mincy v. Arizona, 1978, the Supreme Court ruled officers don't have to delay a search if doing so endangers their lives or others. In this case, if we delayed the response to the second scene with the sole purpose of maintaining custody, it would have endangered other lives. If we would have left one person, it could have negatively impacted the rescue efforts at the second scene. We ask that the court deem this evidence as inevitable discovery, as ruled in Niz v. Williams, 1984. This evidence would have been discovered and it would have been admissible if the fire department had remained on scene until the investigator arrived. It would have been discovered if the attorney had been present and refused entry to the investigator at the time of his arrival. The investigator would have simply applied for an administrative warrant as per the AHJ or authority having jurisdiction's responsibility, then file for a criminal warrant once evidence of arson would have been located. Or even more simply, this fire occurred in the living room. There's a window in the vicinity with direct line of sight access to the pour patterns and the incendiary device. This would have been more than enough to qualify for a warrant based on the plain sight rule. So we ask that you deem this evidence as being admissible and dismiss their motion to suppress. Thank you.